Good morning, day 2, y'all. It's 5 o'clock and your girl is just leaving the house. I'm really on the fence about going. I really don't feel like going because I'm kind of tired. But I'm gonna get out here. I'm only looking for like a couple of candles, you know. But I'm gonna get on out here. As y'all see, it's a late start. I think my store will open up at 5 a.m. So as you see, I'm late. I'm probably not gonna get there till about 5:30. So yeah, so let's get this one going because your girl is running super late. So let's go. Okay, y'all, I just got here. I got somebody the watermelon.
You must be getting a lot of candles.
Yeah. Okay, I just got here. I think it's like 5:25 or somewhere around up in there. Hopefully they got some new stuff out. If they don't, I'm not gonna buy anything because y'all know I'm only looking for the new stuff. I'm looking for the day 2 stuff. So we gonna see. Your girl looking rough today. I'm looking rough because I'm tired. I'm a little bit tired. So as y'all see, no one is out here, so I'm just gonna walk straight in. I'm gonna walk straight in just to see what's going on, what they got. But it looked like they got the same stuff, so I might be going to my other location. But we'll see. Let me put my mask on. Yeah, let me get ready. Did y'all put anything new out from yesterday?
Thank you. You're welcome. So the new stuff is going to be on that back wall right there.
Okay, thank you so much. To me, day 2 was the best day. They had everything out. I was so surprised and happy as well. You know, even though I was a little tired, but I still got out here and I still chased this candle day stuff. I grabbed a couple of candles and I was happy. But I was surprised to see these summer candles, and they had tons of these summer candles. I did not grab any of these, but I did grab the exclusive candle day candles. I did grab those. Okay, y'all. Now they tripping with these coupons. Now they telling me I can only use 1 set of coupons a day, or I need another person. Now y'all know, came yesterday, always come use multiple coupons. Now somebody's tripping. So here we go. I'm trying to use my coupons on my purchases.
Have another one?
Yeah. Okay, y'all. This is yeah, no, I love this store, but okay, new workers means new attitudes. But okay. It's always somebody that want to be the hero. It's like, you know, people gonna come in here with multiple coupons. I'm doing different transactions, and she gonna try to tell me that I can only use 1 coupon a day. Girl, what? What? See, that's what I'm saying. Same store that I went to yesterday, and today, different people doing different stuff. It's like y'all all need to be on the same page. All this extra stuff and trying to be the hero. No,
I'm not trying to have an attitude in the store. I'm trying to do what I'm supposed to do and make sure I do the right thing, you know. But when you got employees that really don't know the policy, well, I shouldn't say the policy, but don't know things, and they just assume because they don't want you to get the deal, it's dumb to me. It's so stupid to me. But the manager came and they went ahead and they did it. So all good. I try my best not to throw no attitude or anything because I know Candle Day could be very, very stressful. So I don't want to be the straw that broke the camel's back. That ain't what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to come in here and get the items that I want, and that's it. So I'm gonna have to make some memory or delete some stuff on this memory card, and I'll come right back. Woo, this is my last run for Candle Day. I'm so full. We just left Dave and Buster's, decided to come over here to the store to see what they got before they close. So yeah, let's go check out the last few hours of Candle Day.
I'm not sure what's going on at Bath and Body Works. We walked up and as you see, a number of the workers was at the front talking to the police. Not sure what was going on, but we decided to just keep it moving and not be nosy, even though I wanted to see what was going on. But I knew that there was a lot of people in the store and I really wanted to find the candles that I was looking for. As you see, a lot of the new stuff, the day 2 stuff is sold out. Everything was just really thrown everywhere, you know, nothing was like in order. So you really had to look around to find the candles that you were looking for. My main goal was to try to find the Palo Santo candle in the black packaging. No luck at all. So yeah, so I just looked around the store. I think I grabbed like 4 candles this time, and I didn't have any more coupons. Well, actually I do still have a coupon, but I didn't want to use my 20% coupon on just 4 candles, so I just paid the $10.25 each. So this Candle Day has now came to an end, and I must say 2021 Candle Day is a wrap. So let's everybody get ready for semi-annual sale. It's coming up the day after Christmas. So yeah.
More.